Ayan, yan ang ruta ko nung Huwebes, January 16. Tayabas, Kuta, Dalahican Bypass Road. Ayan, San Rafael Church. And then, ang labas ko niyan ay papuntang Barangay Dupay. Ayan, 27 kilometers away from my house. Ganyan lang ang exercise na ginagawa ko at my age, 67. Kasi exercise lang. Maganda yung rutang yan eh.